Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can fish for the Rabbitfish on Fisch. So say that 3 times. You are just going to open up your equipment bag, and I think I don't remember what rod I used, either hasty or no life rod. Well, whichever one has the most luck, I guess. I think I used no life. I'm not sure, I don't remember. But you are going to use that, and for the bait I think I used weird algae. I don't know how to, I think it's algae. Then you are going to open up your fish radar, so I bought that. Then you are going to select it again. As you can see, here is where you can fish for the rabbitfish in this area, so keep that in mind. You can like close it and it's still going to be there. But yeah, that is pretty much it really. That is how you can get the rabbitfish, which I have here. Why do I keep opening the bestiary? Ta-da! Hello, where is it? And that is, and that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!